Hello students, welcome back. In this lecture we are going to continue our previous topic that was uh, triangle law of vector addition, and in the previous topic we have done with the uh, resultant and the angle of the vectors, and in this we are going to continue the previous topic, and it has some special cases in which we will perform. So the first one is equal vector, and I told you about the equal vector, the vectors which have equal magnitude and equal direction, they are known as equal vector. So in this case we know the angle between the two vectors will be 0 degree, and we know the resultant formula. We find out in the previous video that it is a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta whole under root. So from this let us figure out what will be the resultant in the equal vector. So after putting cos 0, and we know the cos 0 degree value is 1, so it will be a square plus b square plus 2ab, and we know a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to the a plus b whole square. So square and under root will be cancelled out, and we are left with the a plus b. Next one is negative vector, and we know about the negative vector that they are in opposite direction and the angle between them will be 180 degree. So first of all we are going to find out the resultant. So resultant will be a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta, and we know that cos 180 degree is equal to -1 because theta is equal to 180 degree. That's why we are taking cos 180. So after putting the value of cos 180, we are getting a square plus b square plus 2ab -1, and after multiplying with -1 it will be -2ab, and we know this whole formula a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to a minus b whole square, and square and under root will be cancelled out, and we are left with the r equal to a minus b. Now the third one is if we are having angle between a and b is 90 degree, so cos 90 is equal to 0. We know the value of cos 90, that is equal to 0, and we know the resultant is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta, and here theta is 90 degree and whole under root. Now cos 90 is 0, so this whole term will be 0, and we are left with a square plus b square under root. So the resultant will be a square plus b square under root. Now if we try to find out its angle, that is tan alpha, so tan alpha will be and we know the formula of tan alpha is equal to b sin theta upon a plus b cos theta. So here theta is 0 degree, so b sin 0 degree upon a plus b cos 0 degree. So their answer will be b sin 0 is 0 and a plus b. We know the formula of tan alpha. Tan alpha is b sin theta plus a plus b cos theta, and we are having theta equal to 90 degree. So after putting theta equal to 90 degree, b sin 90, we know the value of sin 90, that is 1, so b multiply with 1, a plus cos 90, cos 90 is 0, so this whole term will be 0, so we are left with b by a. So these are some special cases, and now we are going to perform some numerical so that your doubt can be clear out. So first numerical is a body is moving simultaneously given velocity 130 meter per second due east and other 40 meter per second due north. Find resultant vector. So first of all, we should know about the direction, that is north, east, south, west, northwest, north, south, east and west. So they are saying that a body is moving simultaneously given velocity 130 meter due east. So one is moving toward this side, that is 30 meter east, 30 meter per second east, and another is 40 meter due north. This side is east and this side north. It is moving around 40 meter per second due north. So find resultant vector. So we have to find the resultant vector. So we know the formula of resultant vector, that is R is a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta whole under root. So we are having here 90-degree angle, and our first velocity, that is a is 30 degree and b is 40 meter per second and a is 30 meter per second. So we are putting the value of a and b. A square means 30 square, b square means 50 square, plus cos 90. We know the value of cos 90 is 0, so this whole term will be 0. Thirty square is 900, 50 square is 2500 whole under root, and we are having the value here it is 40 meter per second, and the square of 40 is 1600, and 900 plus 600 is 2500 under root, that is equal to 50 meter per second. So this is the magnitude, that is 50 meter per second. If we try to find out its angle, then tan alpha is b sin theta plus a plus degree. So the angle between these both vector will be 120 degree. That will be something like this. So that is the angle between these two vectors. Now we will do next concept in another video. Till now we have done with some questions. Thank you.